and durable. It offers sun protection and is ideal for any outdoor activities, suitable for hunting, climbing, fishing, traveling, roving, hiking, and so on. Adjustable design features to waterproof adjustment card with a spring buckle for the perfect fit. You can easily transform the hat into the denim look with the royal size and the bottle grosser. Get the most of your outdoor adventures.